So welcome back guys, the MX5 is back and today I'm going to be fitting a bonnet strut lift kit thing. So in the kit then, this is from IL Motorsport. You get your two bonnet struts. It does come with some instructions because you will have to drill some holes and there is some nuts depending on which way you fasten them. I'm going to be tapping 2 M6 threads today rather than removing the bonnet to fit. So I've also bought a tap, a drill and some HSS drill bits. So these struts then use an original mount from the wing. Then we have to just drill and tap a hole in this bracket somewhere. So I'm going to get some masking tape and then we're going to measure out the hole location for that. So the hole you have to drill then is 35 millimeters down from this edge, this curved edge. I'm just going to find then the middle of that section. It's a centre punch where I'm going to make the hole. Then we're going to drill through with a smaller size bit first, just to get the hole centred. Once you've got the first small hole drilled, you can move up the sizes. And it's a lot easier to cut through. Now you might be wondering why I'm already on the other side, because I forgot to film how to tap the hole, which is a classic, isn't it? So if you buy a tap kit, you're going to end up buying, you're going to get different sizes, and it's just the thread pitch on it which is different, or the aggressiveness of the thread, sorry. So if you start with the more chamfered bit first, to cut the initial thread. So just careful, you want to make sure it's straight as you're turning, and I always put a bit of pressure on it. Right, so now we tap the hole then, move away my tape. See the hole there? Obviously we've got a lot of metal shavings around, so I'm going to blow them off with the air gun. $10mm spanner required just to then thread this bolt onto the thread you just cut into the bracket. It should be pretty sturdy. That's one side done then. So to get the end on, just lift the bonnet a bit further from the hood latch. Cool. Make sure everything's tightened down. So it's the first time we're going to shut it then. I'll do it slowly. Make sure it all fits inside the wings, which it does. Just like that. Panels all still look all right on this side anyway. This side is a little bit lifted than it was before. I think I can see why. So let's just open up the bonnet again. Go on.
There you
Oh.
go.
Yeah, just underneath this scuttle panel that I've got installed, but on the original scuttle panel, which is only a half, there's a plastic lip on it which this seems to rest on. So I'm going to cut that out. I'll cut that lip off there, probably with a knife or something, and then hopefully the panel gap will be a lot nicer. Yeah, panel gap is bang on now on both sides. Bye-bye, won't be using you anymore. There we go, easy as that. Don't be too scared to tap some holes. If you are, the only other way to do it, unfortunately, is to take the bonnet off. So if you haven't got any mates, it might be a little bit tricky. Makes it a little bit tidier, no boring little bar there anymore. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe if you've made it this far. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.